It
बीच में मूवी
Got me upside down, spinning around you. Wanna taste the clouds, dance with.
okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a Sunday and we are back with another vlog. This vlog is not going to be like what I'm doing and stuff. This is going to be something that's been playing in my mind since few days, and I just thought of bringing it to the table. And it's nothing but how important it is to make your bed every single day. So I have here Vaishnavi with me. Why she? Because I think nobody in my surrounding can, elaborate this topic as much as she will do, because she has been doing this for the past 6 years. And I just feel every small task that you do, every small habit that you build, obviously it compounds, just like how money compounds in year. And yes, if you guys are looking for some investment, opportunity, please DM me, or you can comment investment how compounding works, and I'll have the best man to speak to you. Apart from that, talking about compounding, we are going to talk about this topic, how important it is. Yeah, Vaishnavi, tell us, how does it feel? How does just tell me in simple words, like how does it feel to make your bed every single day? How has it changed your life?
Alright, so the story goes back like 6 years ago. In 2020, I was in a state where I didn't have control over my life, right? I was I was very fat. I used to not do any work. I was so lazy. I was to be honest, I was very unhygienic and I used to not even, take a glass of water myself. I was so dependent, be it my elder sisters, my brother, my parents, or house help, everything. So this one night I was in my bed full, my mind was in chaos and anxiety was taking over everything. So I just stumbled upon this book, Make Your Bed. So I was like, okay, let's just read this book, how it goes. And the first line was Make Your Bed. And I was like, how would a so tiny book and a so small line change my life? And there was this challenge, okay, make your bed for a week, for 30 days, and see how it changes. So I was like, okay, this I can do, right? So I started. The next morning, I got up, I made my bed. And for the first time, it was that I made my bed. And I was like so happy. Oh my god, it's just 7 and I've done one work, because that one thing is very positive thing. See, if your mind is clear, if your bed is neat, it leads to making your room clean. Like you clean your room, because obviously you can't just make your bed and your room is untidy. And that builds to you taking shower, you freshening up, you grooming yourself, and that builds up to more things like that. So
I think that small things gives you energy to do every little task that comes next. Like
Yeah.
I made the bed, now I'm so happy about it. I'll do the next thing. I'm so happy about it. I'll go to the next. So I think that part catches your brain so well, and when you're done making your bed, that kind of feels like a reward, no?
Yeah,
So
and it also like builds consistency, it builds self-discipline, and let's talk about how it builds, momentum in your life. See, it's not it's like people say, okay, you make a habit in 21 days. I personally don't believe that you make a habit in 21 days. It at least takes 60 to 70 days. So you can't be like, 21 days, nothing happened, nothing changed. But in your heart, you'll feel, okay, I showed up, I got this, right? When your mind is in chaos, you need something more steadier in your life, something that seeks control, something you have control over. Making your bed does that to you. All right. So since then, it's been 6 years, and I tell everyone I talk to that please make your bed. When I see them in any problem, they're not feeling their mind in good place, or they're not having peace, or they're having facing anxiety or something, I just ask them, do you make your bed? And they be like, no, why would I make my bed? And even, how this podcast started. Today morning, she had come to my house and she was like, this. She was sharing her problems, and I was like, did you make your bed today and come here? And she's like, no, Sony will do it. I was like, no, that's not how you do it. You have to make your own bed. Right, did I not say that?
Yeah.
So,
I know I have, mother, I tried doing this, but the problem with me is I cannot stay consistent. I feel like at some point I feel like I'm going to give up. At like I mean, since it takes 21 days, you said 70 to 80 days. In my case, what happens is when I'm making the bed, I'll reach the 55th day of making the bed, and then the 5 days I will skip, and then my streak breaks. This is my main problem, and I am trying to get through
I'll
it.
tell you what happens. Same happens with me. But what I do is before even checking my phone in the morning, like what people usually do is they wake up, they check their phone. Oh, let's see this notification, that call, whatever. I don't touch my phone. As soon as I wake up, I do not. I get up, I make my bed, I fold my blankets, I put it in the cupboard, everything. When I'm very tired and I'm like, yeah, this just made, just leave it. I'm going to sleep in the afternoon or take a nap anytime. So let's just be. I'm like, take care, give yourself a break. Do it in the night when you be sleeping. Before 5 minutes of sleeping, clear your bed and then sleep. That also helps you clear your mind so much. I feel personally, I feel even more than clearing your bed in the morning is cleaning the bed at night. Because when you sleep in a clean bed, your mind is fully cleared and you feel very at peace. Yeah.
And it's also said that the bed is the only thing that attach you to your consciousness. And when you sleep, there's a consciousness. You know that you go to some other, like when you sleep, what is it? Like you are dead for some time. You go to some other world kind of thing. So I think it's very important to make the bed, because the cleaner the bed, better sleep or better consciousness you're gonna have. So
See, it's proof that, discipline doesn't build in one day and it doesn't always have to look intense. Sometimes it's just fluffing a pillow and, folding your sheets, folding your blankets. It's as simple as that. You'll make a vlog another Sunday, right? The next Sunday. You tell me how you feel about it. See, the thing is, it's not only about making a bed. Choose any one habit and do it consistently. Do it one day, do it 7 days, do it 30 days, do it a year. And then it won't even feel like a chore anymore. It just begins to happen. See, for me right now is I wake up and I don't know, my body automatically does that. I don't have to think, oh, I have to make my bed. And if you know that I have a double bed in my room, so I have to make two beds.
Yeah.
Actually.
huge one she has, like little big one.
Yeah. So
No,
I
like
have to,
single, like
I have to put
double beds. Like I think six
So-
people can sleep in there, so it's a huge
eight,
room.
actually eight.
Yeah, eight people. No, that would be too much. If adults like us,
Yeah.
6. And it's a huge room, so to maintain that, it really takes your inner core. But I think you've got it. I think you made it so simple, and you do it like in 5-10 minutes, you're done with the room. So that's again a clap for you, because I don't think, matlab, I know it will take me some time to build that habit, but I'm on it. I'm on it. I tell you, I'm on it, and I am not going to skip this time.
See, people with job will say, I don't have that
Get
much
time.
time.
I
to do."
know that people who really don't want to do this will have, matlab, if it does not click on the mind, they'll have multiple excuses to not do it. But if it clicks in the mind, they'll have that one reason to do it. So I think that's important. What is the 5 things, or maybe say 3 things, or whatever you want to say? What is the thing, that list of things that you maintain in the entire day? Like, what do you do every day that makes you feel so good about it?
Since you asked, I'll tell you. My first routine is making my bed. But before that, I told you I don't touch my phone. But actually, I kind of do. And that's not for checking messages or checking calls. It's for playing a music. And not like any soft music or, any that. I put on a music in which my body can, get energized, like some dancing one. And then I make my bed. And if you make your bed and just dance for 10 minutes, it doesn't have to be a perfect dance, just jump around. that will give you so much happiness throughout your
Yeah.
day. You have no idea. I'm
Because
telling
you
you.
started with such a good dopamine release when you dance.
Yes.
You release dopamine. No matter how bad your dance is, you release dopamine.
Jump around, gym and all, totally
Yeah.
different thing. But in your room, while cleaning your room, making your bed, be happy about that. Okay, be happy. Even if you're going to a job, just jog around, jump around your room a little bit. It makes you feel like when you'll come back to the room in the evening, you'll feel welcomed by the room. You'll feel welcomed by your bed.
And it said, like, I have heard this and I have watched this in some news, like, not news, I'm so sorry. I watched one podcast, like, if you take care of your clothes and if you maintain it, it maintains you back.
So
So
right,
it's
so correct.
vice versa. And same goes for bed. If you make your bed and do the best way possible for your room, it gives you back. And it's the
Yes.
sign of the universe. I don't know, whatever it's called, whatever force it's called. But I think that's so true. I wanted to ask you 5 years you have not told.
Yeah, so first is making my bed, second is dancing around, third is having some nuts, some almonds, some seeds. I do this every day. I cannot start my day without having those seeds. I don't know how it benefits my body or what it does to my body. Obviously, it provides some vitamins and all that, but it feels like, okay, I had such a great start. I have a healthy body. It makes me feel like I have a healthy body, and this thing that I do, one specific thing that I do, it makes me feel that I am healthy. I'm eating healthy, I'm taking care of my body. It's gonna work for me. Okay, if I have to offload, onload any stuff, fourth thing I do every day is, yeah, I cook my own meals. Even though my mom cooks my food and everything, she cooks for everybody, she cooks the most amazing food. But I have this thing that I'm gonna cook my own food. So I cook my own food. I try to eat the
As
best,
healthy
yes,
as
as healthy as
possible.
possible. And I really thank my dietitian to support me in this. She doesn't go very intense with the diet, but she helps you eat in such a way that even maybe you guys might be thinking, oh, she's fat, what is she talking about? But if you really see me, you can ask her the amount of energy I have throughout the day. I do not feel weak any point of the day. I can I can roam the entire day and still be very active by night. So much heart. It is going to, get my not only stomach filled but my soul filled. And the fifth thing is making my cupboard. Actually, you'll never see an untidy cupboard. In my room, you'll never see people. When you open the cupboard, you're like, oh, such a mess, and you're just dragging around the clothes. What is this? What is this?
Yeah, it just happened with me right now, and I feel so disgraced. I feel so dismayed. I feel so unhappy.
Like,
About it.
I have a million of clothes, okay? But if you open my cupboard, no, like she goes 2 to 3 times to my room and she's like, she can figure out if there is something new, you can figure it out. It's that tidy. It's that
So
settled.
organized.
Yes.
I think I've so much to take from you being an elder sister. I don't know. I just feel there's so much in you that is not there in me. Maybe it's the discipline. Maybe I'm gonna start this because I see so good changes in you. I just feel like implementing it in my life would be so much beneficial, and I would really compound the habits that I make. Yeah, it's the best. Matlab, I don't know how do I tell this, but I'm so thankful to you for, explaining me and explaining the audience. I have very less few viewers, but whoever is watching this, I hope tomorrow morning,
Just make your bed.
just make your bed. Like before scrolling, I think just make your bed and
2 habits I challenge you personally. Just do it for 30 days. Okay, leave 30 days. Do it for 7 days. Make your bed, put on a song, and just jump around in your room for 10 minutes. The amount you'll feel happiness, even if something strange is going on in your life with your family, with your friends, it won't matter in that moment. You'll be like, this is my time, this is my routine, I have to do it. You'll feel very, very happy. Yeah.
So guys, this was the take for today's vlog, and I'm thinking of bringing very interesting talks such as these, so that it's not only about making vlog, making how what I do, but I think it's very important to talk these out because it makes a difference. Even a little bit, makes a bigger difference when you go ahead in your life. Yeah, so thanks for watching it, and we love you so much. And yeah, that's it.
Bye-bye.
Don't forget to make your bed. All right,
Like
Bye.
and subscribe.
Bye, take care, we love you guys.
Got me upside down, spinning